September. আৰু তেওঁলোকে মোৰ পৰা কোনো এক্সটেনশন বিচৰা নাই যে আমাৰ কাম ৰখি গৈছে আৰু আমাক 15 দিন দিয়ক 1 মাহ দিয়ক যদি এক্সটেনশন বিচৰা নাই তেলে কালি তো ৰিপৰ্ট দিব লাগে গতিকে মোৰ অফিসে আপোনালোকক ক'ব পাৰিব কালি মোৰ পৰা সময় এসআইটি লৈছে নে নাই লোৱা কালি নিয়মতে তো আহি মোক দিব লাগে প্ৰতিবেদন I have to read the report. Suppose in read certain serious issue is there. So immediately it will be processed. Means I have seen the report, nothing is there. I will close it. So first I have to see the report. Before looking at it, if I make some comment, it will be biased. So tomorrow let the report be come to me if they have sought my time. Or if they have not sought my time, then at 6 p.m. I will ask my office what happened. They will tell me. So after that, I will read the report. Then after reading the report, if I think it is very serious, I might have to talk to Prime Minister, I might have to talk to Home Minister, or if not serious, then there will be different procedure. So first I have to read it. Before reading it, I cannot make any comment. But as SIT has not sought time for extension, so basic conclusion is that tomorrow they are going to give the report to me or to the Chief Secretary either.